how does Multiplier help solve it for these businesses who are dealing with multi-country payroll?
I think the decision there always is when you're doing global payroll, which is really interesting because it's not really a decision you ever see in the United States with payroll, is do you perform your own money movement or not? And by money movement, I mean funding of the payroll and then the payout to the employees. Where you've seen some sensitivity historically is that with foreign exchange rates, sometimes companies, especially really, really large ones, will want to keep that money movement in-house, right? What I would generally say is at this point in time with the modernization of fintech platforms and just our ability to, integrate with banks in a better way and a more efficient way, we can provide a lot of the similar rates competitor kind of bank services can do directly. And so what you're seeing is more and more companies, even very large ones, are just going, you know what, we'll have the payroll provider just manage the FX on their side. And what that does is it greatly streamlines their processes and automation. And the cost difference is, I think, in most regards, unless you're at massive scale, more than easily negated by the efficiencies you see from an operational and manual process standpoint. The only other thing to note, too, is it's all automated, which lowers the risk of there being a banking error, which if in terms of banking error, that means the employee doesn't get paid, which is about the worst case event you can have in payroll. In terms of looking at the pros and cons, I think in 99% plus of cases, I think it makes sense for companies to look at doing FX directly through the payroll provider, unless they're just providing like egregiously poor rates. But why would they, right? It's not in their interest to do that. And that's what their customers are seeking. And competitively, they have to provide competitive rates. So I would definitely say that we should be able to handle all of that for you automatically, so Multiplier should be able to handle that.